Hi guys, welcome back to the shed. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to try something a little different. We're going to move away from the shed to workshop series or project, whatever you want to call it. And my wife keeps asking me for a storage solution of some kind for my daughter's soft toys. She was scrolling through all these websites, all these pictures, and she found something that she really liked the look of. It was called a soft toy zoo. If you've never seen one before, essentially it's a box, just a basic box frame structure, and all the toys are held inside using bungee cord. I can't really think of anything more to say about it really, other than yeah, let's crack on. Right, so remember guys, another thing I said in a previous video was that I wanted to make something that you could potentially sell as well. So along with making one for my daughter, I bought a pack of 4 of these, what do you want to call them, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch if you're American, or if you use the correct system, they're about 32mm by 32mm. My plan is to make one, as I say, for my daughter, maybe then get some photos of it online, see if I can get some interest in someone buying them, and then when someone if someone would like to purchase it, I've got enough wood then to make a second one. Hopefully, on things I make like this, I want to kind of get the return on my investment, if not more. So that's kind of the little challenge that we've set ourselves. So yeah, so we're only going to be about 60 by 40. It won't be very big. It's just for small soft toys, just to help organise them. So let's get to it. Right, so there you have it, guys. One soft toy zoo, I guess you could call it. It's already proving like super useful for keeping all of my daughter's like stuffed animals and like toys of that nature kind of off the floor in one place, where she can take them from, put them back. It was quite simple to build. There were a few things that I found a little bit challenging, like I'd never done half lap joints before, so it was good fun to learn how to do something different, like adding a trim to the edge of it, the letters. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, guys, then great. If you haven't watched my previous video, my first video when I built the work table that I made this on, then be sure to check that out. I'd really appreciate it. And so yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.